Do you want to know how to use DEXScreener? Then in this video, I will show you how to do it in just a few steps. So first things first, head over to DEXScreener.com on your browser, and then you should be able to see in here this screen. From in here, you can see the sign in button. You can also sign in using your X, your Telegram, as well as your Discord, and also you can also switch to the night mode. So for this one, just click onto this sign in option, and then you can choose in here your sign in method. So let's sign in using your Google right here. Now I'll just select in here the account that I want to use to sign in using my DEXScreener. And then after that, it will ask from some access through that account. Click on continue. And then after you have done that, this will open in here a new tab. And as you can see, I am successfully logged in or signed in with Google. Now, once we have done this, you can see in here a lot of things like this watch list, alerts, multi-charts, and a lot more. So for this one, we also have in here this portfolio option. So first things first, let's head over right here to our watch list. So for this one, you can add a watch list pair. So click onto this add pair option and then just choosing here the things that you want to add to your watch list. Like for example, this token info from this person as well as some actual finalized history you have right here. So just choose your watch list for this. It can be finalized, trending, top, rising, and new. For this one, let's add in here this Doji Lisa coin. So click on this one. Then as you can see, this will load this pair and you can see in here now this chart and you can see in here the Solana that you can buy and sell as well as the progress for that. If you want to connect your wallet, click on the disconnect wallet option that you can see right here. And then in here, you just need to add in here the supported wallets. So you just need to add the Phantom, Solflare, or MetaMask. You can click on each one of them and it will redirect you to a new tab wherein you can actually sign in those wallets we have just talked about. Just head over and then download it and then you can use it to your liking. Now let's head back to DEXScreener. Now, from our deck screener, we also have in here this alerts. Since we have our watch list, we also have this alert option right here that you can utilize. So if ever, you can set an alert for anything that you have on your watch list as well. So you can just click on the alerts button on the detail pair screen. So you can just authorize to do that. Now onto the multi-charts, you can see in here a lot of charts that you can actually see. You can add the chart, you can add suggested charts and likes. For this one, click onto this add chart and then just add those charts for those right here. Now it will load those and it will add to this one. So if you want to add another one, you can click onto the three dots, you can hide this bar right here and you can add another one. Now onto this new pairs, you can see some growing new pairs that you can see on your deck screener. You can see those people that are actually leading in this one. You can see if they're gaining or losing. Speaking of gaining and losing, we also have those in this particular section. So you can see in here the gainers and losers of the chains. So as you can see, we have some gainers right here and also some sort of losers. Now for the portfolio, you can actually add in here your portfolio. You can add or track your wallet. Just click on this add a wallet, give a name to that wallet and enter the wallet address right here. Now from there, you can click on this add wallet in order to monitor it using the deck screener. So from in there, you can also do a lot more like API and the likes, and you can see in here those bonds that you have right here. So when you click on each one of them or any one of them, like for example, Solana, you should be able to see in here this. Now from this, you can see or track those trending as well last 24 hours and last 5 minutes and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope you learned a lot on how to use DEXScreener. See you on the next one.